1967 Ford Falcon, 289, small block. Gonna be pulling it out, rebuilding engine and transmission. Got this 67 Falcon picked up on jack stands, some basic hand tools, some old hand tools. Gonna go under and take the nuts off the cross member for the transmission. C4 cross members, got 2 fasteners. Sometimes the nut gets stuck in the socket.
I got roller chain lube, liquid.
Got the fuel line cut, going to the car. Got the supply, took off. Fuel pump, got the battery disconnected, the choke hold, ignition, starters, wiring zipped up out of the way, pulled the radiator. Gonna take this fan off, gonna just go right through the grill. Belt's a little stiff. Now we're gonna disconnect the wiring to the alternator. Pulling out some of the factory wiring, not gonna be using it. The vacuum line goes to the back here. Goes to the trans. And then this one goes inside the dash. Loaded up the shop crane, bringing it to pluck that engine and transmission out of that Falcon. 289 C4. Throwing on a lift plate. Hooked up to it, we gotta lift it a little bit to get the weight off of it so we can get the last bolt out, the engine mount. Double hookup setup, one on the back, one on the front. Alright, it's time to lift it. It's coming out. It's out of the car. Try not to hit the car. Bring it back some. It's heavier than it looks. About 500 pounds. Alright, we're gonna try to lower it. Okay. I don't like it being so high. There you go. Oh, well, look at that. Feels a lot better with it being down low. It's one 289 and C4. That's where it used to be. We'll get them freshened up and throw them back in.